Hey, Braveheart, let's do a little arm stretching snack, shall we? Want to try that with me? Snake arms. That's not what I came to do. I'm silly. I'm Aunt Angel, aka ZGala. Welcome to the ZGala show. This is Fit and Free with me, and I'm here to do some arm stretches. Let's just get right into it. Bring your left arm across the body. Hold on to it with the right. If you can, just sort of shake it out. And then let's actively roll that shoulder around in that stretch position. Whew, for me, there's a lot of ka-chunks in there. Don't do anything that doesn't feel right in your body. Make sure you listen to your own body. This is a freestyle, educated stretching session. I have a lot of training, but I generally don't follow all of it. You can take that for whatever it's worth. I'm all about living life in the moment. Let's just keep stretching that arm across the body a little. I encourage you to develop a healthy, playful relationship with yourself. That's what this is all about. Let go of stress. Let go of the past like it was yesterday. Make room for new stresses and stretches tomorrow. Let's do some big arm circles with that arm because that feels good. And then bring the right arm across the body. And again, just sort of shake it out, jiggle it out. And then let's do some shoulder rolls on that side. Got a lot less clicking and popping on that side, as is usual in my body. I encourage you to notice how your body differs from side to side, and you can think about the things that you do and don't do that either make that more or less pronounced, profound. Bringing the arm across the body higher and in the middle and lower. Again, just exploring some stretching, trying to shake out some tension in that arm. And then let's swing it to the back. Let's do some arm circles on that side to keep it even, Steven. Let's do some bilateral stretches for good measure, because again, that feels right to me. I encourage you to listen to your own body, do what feels right to you. Remember that stretching and letting go of stress doesn't have to take a long time, doesn't have to be hard. Let's do some little circles with the hands, just checking in with those hard working hands. Go the other way. It's about consistency. It's about listening. It's about loving yourself a little bit more, doing what feels right in your body. Letting go of stress regularly. It's just like any other kind of hygiene. Stress regulation takes regular checking in, regular letting go, because life will bring you more stresses. That's just the world, the life we live in. And so, yeah, just like lint will accumulate in your pocket, stress will accumulate in your body. And it's up to you and me to breathe deep, exhale freely, and let it go. I thank you for stopping by. This has been a short and sweet stretching snack. I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you'll like and subscribe. That helps me out a lot. Check out the description if you want to find other ways of supporting me. Should have some links to some books I wrote and music I created and other things. Check it out. Thank you if you do. As always, I want to encourage you to get more courageous, get more curious, get more fit, and get more free. Thanks for stopping by. Stay you. Ciao for now. Peace.